I've been very adamant about not having a main. As reviewers, it's so hard to keep a main because of two things. We always have to be testing the new mice out, and secondly, because we have every new mouse out, it can be really frustrating and confusing to even begin to know when or what to even choose as your main. Now, don't get me wrong, I'm very fortunate to be able to try all these new mice, but sometimes it would be nice to just grind out my favorite game with a mouse and mouse pad that I really enjoy and just get really good with that combination. That being said, if you force me to choose a mouse pad and mouse combination for my game of choice at the moment, Valorant, it would have to be these two, the G Pro Wireless SUPERLIGHT and the OG Black Zowie GSR. I already know what the comments are going to be saying. The GSR wasn't even in your top 5, BT. What's going on? You're right, but before you cut my head off, let me explain why I perform so well with this combination so you can get a better understanding of why I went with this combination. Also guys, stick around to the end of the video to find out how you can win one of the G Pro Wireless X SUPERLIGHTs for yourself. That's a mouthful. Starting off with the G Pro Wireless X, if you've ever been to my stream on Twitch before, you'll have seen me switch mice all the time, and as soon as I switch to this mouse, without fail, I'll just start dominating. If I'm struggling with the new mouse, I'll immediately switch back to this one and I'll start taking people's heads off. I love the ambidextrous shape, I love the scroll wheel, it's my favorite of any mouse. The mouse 1 and 2 are great, the side buttons feel amazing to me, it has amazing battery life, and I can't remember when the last time I even had to charge it. The mouse feet are also huge on here and allows this mouse to glide with ease on any surface, and best of all, it comes wrapped in this amazing 60-gram package, which is very well balanced. When I switch over to other mice, I can immediately tell where the weight is distributed because of this mouse. There's just something so satisfying about this mouse. It's overtaken my beloved Razer Viper Mini as my main, and I don't see another mouse changing that unless they can do what this mouse does, but better. The sensor hasn't failed me yet. My grip style changes all the time for testing, but this mouse, I can do anything from claw, fingertip, and palm since it's such a safe shape. Lately, I've been going with fingertip grip as I've realized my highest scores in aim labs have been from using fingertip grip for pinpoint precision. Now, remember when I said that we come back to why I was using the Zowie GSR, the black one? Yes, it is a mud pad, but it actually benefits my fingertip grip. I found that on faster pads like the Hien or the Aqua Control Plus, that when I would stop on a dime, there would just be a little bit of jitteriness from the lack of stability from my fingers. Now, when I would claw grip, these mouse pads were perfectly fine. Now, when I stop with the Zowie GSR, it feels like I'm just straight up planted, and since my fingers don't apply too much pressure on the mouse, I'm able to get a pretty consistent glide and kind of avoid that muddy feeling that some people encounter. Now, if you claw or palm grip on this pad, your mouse is going to feel like it's in quicksand, and that's when I just recommend you switch over to a slicker pad like an Aqua Control Plus or a Hien. I've also had the Zowie GSR for years, and it's held up very nicely on the durability side, and I've punished this pad. It actually looks pretty gross on camera. I'm not sure if it's showing through, but you should see some stuff all over it. It's actually quite impressive how the GSR has held up. I haven't even watched it. I probably should, but I haven't yet. Now, I don't usually recommend it because the small minority of people are actually using fingertip grip. Also, depending on what game you're playing, it might not be the best. Quick timing games like Valorant and CSGO really benefit from it, while this pad is horrible in games like Apex, Call of Duty, and Fortnite, aka games with a lot of tracking. Because the static friction is so high on this, it kind of keeps your mouse planted, like I said. In Valorant, this just allows me to stop on a dime and get amazing first shot accuracy. So yeah, those are my mains, my pseudo mains, just because I've come back to them over the years. It used to be the G Pro, and then it was the Viper, and now we're on the SUPERLIGHT. We're back to Logitech, all right? So since I'm in the SUPERLIGHT gang now, I want to invite some of you into the gang as well. This is just for all the support you guys have shown me on my videos. I seriously have the best subs on the planet. Also, I'm creating some new merch that's on the way. We just got the samples, and the deathmatch samples just came in as well. So for spring and summer, you're gonna be looking fly. It's been a minute since I've done a giveaway on the channel. I've done a ton on Twitch, but I know a lot of you guys aren't stopping by the stream. What are you doing? But I did want to thank you guys for being loyal YouTube watchers as well. So we're gonna do it like this. All right, we're gonna make it nice and easy. So we have 3 SUPERLIGHTs here. You know, they're all packaged. Look at that. They're all in the original package, wrapped. Okay, I haven't used them. All you have to do to enter the giveaway is to follow me on Instagram, and then in the comments of this video, write down your IG name, and then I'll be contacting the winners 2 weeks from now through DM on Instagram. We can even do a quick video chat if you want for the winners. If you don't have Instagram, make one And if you don't win this one, let me just tell you guys, the next giveaway is gonna have 20 winners. Okay, so yeah, don't worry, there's gonna be plenty of winners. So thank you guys for watching. As always, it has been your boy BT saying peace.